Ever wondered how fractions can team up or cancel each other out? Let's unlock the secret behind adding and subtracting fractions like a math genius. A fraction is a way of representing part of a whole. Fractions are written as two numbers, one over the other. The number on top is called the numerator. It represents how many parts we have. The number on the bottom is called the denominator. It shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Fractions can be added or subtracted. The following are the steps for adding and subtracting fractions. Step 1. Convert mixed fractions to improper fractions if necessary. Step 2. Find the common denominator by finding their lowest common multiple. Step 3. Divide the original denominator by the lowest common multiple and multiply the answer with the numerator on each fraction. Step 4. Add or subtract the numerators. In short, if a over b and c over d are fractions, then a over b plus c over d equals a times d plus b times c over b times d. And a over b minus c over d equals a times d minus b times c over b times d. If b equals d, then a over b plus c over b equals a plus c over b. And a over b minus c over b equals a minus c over b. Let's consider some examples. Example 1. Solve 5 over 2 plus 3 over 7. We multiply 5 times 7 plus 2 times 3 over 2 times 7. This becomes 35 plus 6 over 14, which gives 41 over 14. Example 2. Solve 5 over 2 minus 3 over 7. We multiply 5 times 7 minus 2 times 3 over 2 times 7. This becomes 35 minus 6 over 14, which gives 29 over 14. Example 3. Solve 1 over 3 plus 5 over 3. If the denominators are the same, we add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. This becomes 1 plus 5 over 3, which gives 6 over 3, which gives 2. Example 4. Solve 1 over 3 minus 5 over 3. We subtract the numerators and keep the denominator. This becomes 1 minus 5 over 3, which gives negative 4 over 3. Understanding how fractions interact is more than just arithmetic. It's the foundation for equations, ratios, and even algebraic reasoning. You're not just adding numbers, you're mastering the language of parts and wholes. Now that you've mastered addition and subtraction of fractions, get ready for the real magic multiplying and dividing them with precision and power. Stay tuned and stay curious.